Alright, so I am here at Disney's Pop Century Resort in the 50s wing here at Walt Disney World in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. And we're going to start our elevator adventure with building number 1. There are 3 total buildings in the 50s wing. And here we are coming up to the first set of elevators. There's your manpower elevator. And I believe we have some Fujitec elevators to ride with Otis Series M2 button replacements. That doesn't work. Let's go to 4. Here we'll go 4. Back down to 1, door close button works. Got an air freshener in here. Send this elevator away, we'll try to get the left car. And now we'll try to get the left car. And here we have the left elevator. Both lanterns do not work on these. Okay, with 4. Here on 4. Right down to 1. Overall, these are basic Fujitec elevators, but they're getting worn out, unfortunately. This car is a bit bouncy going up. Your floor indicator, air freshener, certificate, Otis Series M2 button replacements. Capacity starting 100 is elevator 1. No phone. Here you are. And that'll be it for this set of elevators.